Okay, hello guys and welcome. I hope everyone's doing good tonight, fellas. It's a little after 10 p.m., guys, and we're gonna get right to it, guys. This is the 2013 Elite break, and I also have a sheet here just so you're aware the video is current and that you're at the correct auction. And as always, guys, if you have any questions or need help with anything at all, just send me a message. I'll be more than happy to help any way that I could. And be sure to check out current breaks too, guys. I got the new 2014 Finest up. Pretty sweet stuff. It's going to be a team break, and all teams start out at 99 cents, guys. So get yourself some 2014 rookies. But guys, as for tonight, thank you so much for all purchases, and best of luck to everyone. And that's enough of me yapping, guys. Let's get to it, fellas. Best of luck to everyone. And out. Bam, empty box. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let me go through and whack the tops of these off. And like I said before, guys, thank you, man, so much for all purchases. And any questions whatsoever, just hit me up. And of course, guys, all hits ship free of charge. So if you want your commons sent, it's only $1.99, and message me after the break letting me know. If you don't want the condoms, I know like 90% of the people don't want the condoms. They will be donated, guys. Very good cause. There's a Women in Crisis Center in my town here, and there's tons of kids down there. So just message me after the break. Let me know what you'd like to do. Hopefully we can get a nice big hit out of this stuff. It's been a while since we did the Elite. I'm really excited about that Finest, guys. You should see that. The cards look amazing. Don't want to cut the cards, do we? Football Sunday. I'm so glad football season is here. Okay, guys, that's enough of me yapping. Let's get to it, fellas. Best of luck to everyone. And all hits will ship free, like I said before, guys. Commons is just $1.99. Message me letting me know. Okay, guys, we got 20 packs. I'll try to go through them here as quick as possible. AJ Green, Bradford, and what is this? Starstruck RG3. Redskins. Ingram, Dalton. That's a shame with him, man. He just can't win, could he? There we go. Gay, Rice, and our first hit, Quinton Patton to the Niners. Green, very nice. 299, Quinton Patton. Cool looking card, man. Congrats to the Niners. Thomas Wilson. Okay, we have Powell, Freeman, and up next, Desmond Trufant, Peterson, and Newton. This one feels a little thicker. Oh, I think we got, I don't know, spacer it looks like. Okay. Blackman, White, Manning, Spacer, Schwartz, and Jones. Okay, there he is. Tannehill, Roethlisberger, and Trent Richardson zoning commission. Not numbered. Cutler, McCoy, Shady McCoy. Okay, Richardson, Jones, Walker, Mendenhall, Danny Amendola. Still looking for 3 hits. Jones, Holmes, and a hard hat, numbered 299 to the Cowboys. I'll ship that out, guys, free. I'll ship that. Gronk and Williams. Okay, sure. Vincent Jackson and a passing the torch, Peyton Manning. Russell Wilson, not numbered. Dwyer Johnson. Okay, we have Wilson, Whedon, and possibly our next hit here. No, Stephon Taylor, though, numbered to 70 for the Cardinals. I'll send that out too, guys. Whoever has the Cardinals, congrats. Numbered to 70. We'll send that one. Crabtree Wayne. This one feels... Is this one a hit? Yep, okay. We'll save that, guys. That's going to be a hit. We'll do that last. There's Richardson. Gates. And... oh, check that out. Justin Hunter, Titans. Cool hit. Number to 199. It is the green. Very nice. Very nice. Justin Hunter. Macklin Manning. Still looking. Is this? Yeah, there's another hit. Cool. We'll do those last, guys. At least I believe it's a hit. Yep, okay. Bo, Flacco, and oh, we got Gilslead. Number to 199. Spacer and Winton. This one feels light. Torrey Smith. Sanchez. Passing the torch. Drew Bledsoe. Matthew Stafford. Not numbered. Ballard. And Peterson. Justin Hunter was cool, man. There's Schaub. Johnson. Ponder. Davis. MJD. Okay, Steve Jacks. And Kajan Barner. Nix. Johnson. Moore. Beast Mode. Jamal Charles and Sam Bradford. Die cut, not numbered. RG3 Jennings. There he is. Rogers. Martin and Tyler Wilson. Andrew Luck. Fitzy. The law firm. Gibbons. And to the Bengals, Rex Burkhead, numbered 799. Dez and Cap. There's Gordon. Rivers. Cobb. Breeze. And Marshall. Okay, guys. Let's do this. I'm trying to get the hits last. Okay, we got Heartline, Rice, Stafford, Foster, Garcon, Britt, Wallace, Spiller, and our hit going to the Bengals. It's going to be Giovanni Bernard. New breed to the Bengals, Giovanni Bernard. Nice. And how did these go? Okay. Matthews, Johnson, and our last hit, guys. Oh, cool. DeMarco Murray. Number 249 only. Very nice. DeMarco Murray going to Dallas. Number 249. Very nice. Okay, guys, that does it for tonight. Like I said, anybody have any questions, hit me up right away, guys. Be sure to check out that current break. I have a box of the new finest stuff, fellas. Thank you so much for all purchases, guys, and have a wonderful evening.